guys, so we're back today with another episode of What I Eat in a Week. So this week I believe is week number 6. Now in the beginning of this week it was Valentine's Day, so I did not film Valentine's Day just because I didn't want it to interfere in the moment. But I did actually use some of the leftovers for one of my meals, so you guys will kind of see that. This week I did show you guys okra. I know a lot of you guys don't like okra, so I did go ahead and do like a chicken okra stew with some white rice that came out really good. So I'm gonna give you guys like a little bit of different types of recipes you guys can try out. This video is a little bit shorter than usual, but don't worry, next week's video is gonna be nice, long, and lengthy. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of What I Eat in a Week. If you are new to my channel, guys, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell. And if your notifications aren't working, refresh that button and also refresh the subscribe button, guys. So furthermore, let's jump into episode number 6 of What I Eat in a Week. Alright guys, so it is lunchtime, so I decided to make some spinach rice. I did put like a good amount of spinach in there, so that's cooking in the rice cooker. And I also decided to go ahead and make some broccoli. So I do have a leftover piece of salmon from dinner last night, so I'm gonna have that with 1 cup of the spinach rice and some broccoli. So that's what I'm having now. It is the afternoon, so yeah, I'm basically gonna be eating a leftovers portion now because we have a lot of food left over from the festivities. But yeah, so that's the salmon. Added a little blackened season on top, but it was delicious. All right guys, so this is what I'm eating. There goes the salmon. I just used 1 piece of broccoli because I want to save the other broccoli for later. This is my 1 cup of cooked spinach rice. I used frozen spinach and put it in the rice cooker. Very simple. And yeah, so this is it. It looks like a nice gourmet meal. But yeah, that's what I'm eating for lunch. It is like 2 o'clock. I'm editing the vlog right now. And yeah, so this is that. Alright guys, so I went to the store and I found these Cheeto Puffs, white cheddar. They're only 160 calories for 32 pieces. So I'm going to have some of this. For dinner tonight, I'm keeping it simple. I have a sweet potato and I'm heating up some wings that I had the weekend. Show it to you guys. It's really not that deep, so just kept it really simple. It was a leftover day. I literally only cooked a few things today, just the rice and the sweet potato. But the sweet potato, I just put it in the oven and wrapped it in foil. So I'm gonna have a few of these. I'll come back and let you guys know what this tastes like, and then I'll show you guys my dinner. Y'all, I just had a few of these joints and they taste really good. Like, wow. And like I said to you guys, 32 pieces is 100. Guys, these taste really good, and they're supposed to be like the healthier version. Oh my god, if you like cheese doodles, Cheetos, like the soft ones, these kind of taste more like the blue bag of cheese doodles. No, not the blue bag. The red bag, the cheese doodles, you know, the wise ones. God, but these are a little bit soft. The flavor and the crunch are there. I had about like 15 just now. I'm probably gonna eat some more, but whoa. Alright guys, so this is a dinner, half sweet potato. For the butter, I did use the Smart Balance Light, which is 50 calories for 1, what is it? I forgot. Let me just check it. Okay, so for 1 tablespoon it's 50 calories. So I did go ahead and spread that on top of the sweet potato with some onion, salt, and black pepper. Then I have my lemon pepper wings. These are the ones I made over the weekend. They are very small, like they're like bite-sized wings. Let me show you. Look how tiny these wings are. So have about 5 ounces of wings right here. And that is that. And the broccoli, steam, and that's it. So that's what we're having for dinner. So my big carb, oh, it's foaming. My big carb was earlier in the day for lunch, and then low kind of carbish, healthier carb in the evening. Alright guys, so this is breakfast. I got a 100-calorie English muffin with the 50-calorie 1 tablespoon of butter. And this is half a cup of egg whites and 1 whole egg with, I'm stuttering, girl, stop. Turkey, onions, and jalapeno peppers chopped up. So that is that. I'll put the calorie count. It's actually pretty low of a calorie count. I was going to have some Cheerios until I saw how much eggs it was. And I'm like, damn, that's a lot of eggs. So half a cup is definitely a lot. Do a 1/4 cup of egg whites because half a cup of egg whites is a lot. But it is low calorie and it's very filling and tastes really good. It's flavorful AF, by the way. But yeah, so still got a low carb, which is a healthier carb. It's whole grain English muffin, crispy, with 1 tablespoon of that fat-free low light butter from... You guys know which butter I'm talking about. I showed it to you guys yesterday. Anyways, so that's what I'm having now. And then for dinner tonight, I think I'm going to do like an okra chicken stew with white rice. 1 cup, you guys know. But I want to do like a chicken okra stew because I love okra. So, yeah. But for lunch, maybe some chips or maybe like a snack or something. I don't know, yogurt. I think I'm having yogurt, but yeah. This Okay, so this is the okra and spinach stew right here. I did add 1 cup of cooked white rice, the jasmine rice from Trader Joe's. And yeah, so this is it. It looks really good. My mom used to make this with beef, but I don't eat beef, so I just substituted for chicken tenderloins. And yeah, so I have some for tomorrow. My boyfriend has this big plate, and I can have this tomorrow for lunch instead of like rushing to make anything else. Obviously the rice is gone because I didn't make that much. So all I have to do is just add some rice to the rice cooker tomorrow, and that's it. It'll be a quick meal. But I will make something else for dinner. Don't worry. But just like a nice little Haitian traditional meal. Yeah, okra is alright guys, so I'm at Whole Foods right now. I'm about to go get myself something to eat. I'm bringing you guys inside. I think it's gonna be quick. I'm just going boom, 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 bada, bang, boom. So I get to Trader Joe's. It's 3:27. It's gonna be traffic either way. Me leaving Trader Joe's, I'm gonna get stuck in traffic. So maybe I should go. Maybe I should just wait till tomorrow. But well, you know. Alright guys, so this is what I got. I got like a little corner of mac and cheese, 3 yuca sticks. Now the wings, the regular wings, 4 ounces is 260 calories, which is normal. But they had like jerk wings, and the jerk wings were 520 calories. So I said no way. So they did have like jerk chicken thighs. So I picked one mini this thigh is actually pretty small, guys. And then I got half of one, and 4 ounces of that was 200 calories. So I figured I could, you know, make that right here better than getting the wings that was 520 calories. I guess it was a jerk sauce that made it more calories. Yeah, so that's what I got. So this is the drink I got. This one is only 40 calories for the entire bottle. I've never tried this flavor. I always tried the ginger lemon flavor, but I'm gonna try this one. I gotta head off to Trader Joe's soon because I know the traffic about to pick up, so gotta go. All right, beautiful people, so I'm back home. I actually was doing something else. I completely forgot about the groceries, but I got my potatoes back. So the potatoes are back from Trader Joe's. This is 170 calories for a cup, so this does have more calories, so be mindful when making this. But these, when I tell y'all, drop these in the cast iron, banging. I also got some yellow corn tortilla chips from my boyfriend. I got that because we usually like to have the spinach artichoke dip, which I can have. It's 40 calories for 2 tablespoons, so I can eat my Trader Joe's grainless chips with this one. I did get some butter lettuce. I got some maple turkey slices. These are really, really good. I did get my lemonade. So I got my low-calorie lemonade, 40 calories for an 8 fluid ounce serving, which is perfect. It's very tarty and good. I love that tart taste. I did go ahead and get some sourdough bread. Sometimes I like to make BLT sandwiches with sourdough bread. It is 90 calories, so it's fine. It's 180 calories for just 2 slices, plus some bacon, light mayo. So it's still a good amount of calories. And like I said, this sourdough bread from Trader Joe's is banging. This tastes really good with BLT sandwiches. So I'm definitely gonna make a BLT with that lettuce. And then I got my pasteurized raised large brown eggs, pasture raised. And then I'm saying like that was the last thing. I also got 2 ginger shots and an onion and a pepper. So that was basically that. I didn't get a lot of stuff today. I just kept it real simple because like I said, the groceries I bought last week, I still have stuff, so I don't really need to buy anything. Just needed to get like these, which I've been looking for, and just like the basics, like the real basics. I really ran out of eggs, like for real, for real.